Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the one of the good topic in a Microsoft Excel sheet. So the function name is VLOOKUP. Function name VLOOKUP. So how you should use VLOOKUP in the spreadsheet or Excel sheet, right? So what is the necessary to use this function in the Excel sheet? So here whenever you may extract the data from the any of the softwares or any of the platforms which your companies are using or your clients are using. So once you download the data from the respective platforms, and then you can when you download the data, that would be become as your raw data, right? So maybe like the client or the business users do not want complete information from the raw data. So in this case, you can specifically mention that which are the columns we need to populate the data, right? In this place, we can use VLOOKUPs. And also it is very, very good function in the Excel sheet where you can use and a day-to-day your life to reduce the manual efforts and like increase your efficiency of the work when you work in the Excel sheets. Let's say example, your month-end activities, reconciliations, data comparison, and other activities like that, right? So we can use the VLOOKUP function here. So let's say example in demo, this is the my data which I have 1 to 10, and these are the names and these are the marks respectively each employee. Okay, so this is the raw data. So now just I want to need only the couple of resources marks in the my required data sheet. So in this case, what I can see, so this is the my data which I want to present information. So in this case, what you can do, so just come here, equal lookup. So here the interesting thing is here, when you enter the starting letter of the function, so automatically the Excel sheet will pop up the what are the functions are available, starts with the V or start with the next second letter. So here I mentioned that V and L. So automatically the system, I mean to say Excel is showing that VLOOKUP is available in this place. So in this case, what I can do, just say tab out from your keyboard. Okay, automatically it will show that. You can see here VLOOKUP open bracket VLOOKUP underscore value table underscore array, and this is the formula what they have given the behind the VLOOKUP. So now what we can do, so I want the mark list for this respective employees, right? So I can go and place the cursor here, say comma, and from where we are going to get the data, from the raw data. This is my raw data, right? Just click on the raw data and select entire or select from the B column to C column, because I have the common unique name in the B column, and in the C column I have the data. So this data I want to bring from raw data to my data required sheet. So select entire column, and you can see the select the range from where it is the data is available. Here C column, right? Select C column. You can see in the screen 2C, right? It means that it is selected only two columns, ends with the C column. That is the meaning of it. Okay, and then comma, say 1, close the bracket. Here it wrongly, let's say here again, comma, the comma, I given wrongly 1, so that's why it is not taking out. Yeah. Now you can see this is the sometimes like as a human tendency, we may do some mistakes. So that's why you should be very careful on that. When you set the range here, we need to give the proper appropriate ends with the which column and which is the numbers. Based on that, the VLOOKUP will pull the data from raw data to your data required sheet. Now you can see here, cross check this one. Sobita has 61. If you go look at Sobita here, yes, 71. So likewise, we can bring the data one sheet to another sheet. So this is very usable function in a day in, day out in the life. So who is working on the multiple across all the platforms as well as. So this is one topic. And other one I would say here, if you want to know what are the menus here, you can see home, interest, insert, page layout, these things are there, right? When these functions can be used, it's a shortcut I would say. If you go press on your Alt from your keyboard, automatically the system will enable all the shortcuts on the menu bar. Now we can see if you go and click on F, automatically file get open all the things here which comes under the file tab. Similarly, H, home, and N for the insert, and P for the page layout. Likewise, we can see all the things here. So let's example, once you press on Alt tab from the your keyboard, then automatically these functions get enabled as a shortcut. And now if you go and click on H, automatically will comes all the sub functions which has under the home tab here. Now we can see cut, copy, format, format painter, and so on, right? So apart from that, if you want to use any of the function here, then you can apply the this shortcut keys as well as, which is very important or very easy to manage your data within your times. Yeah, yeah, that's all. So we'll catch up in next video. So next video may